Positive Academy family. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are enjoying this content. Yesterday I met with my dream. I tried to analyze my dream and why I am able to do that because I focus on mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation is very much crucial. It will help you to analyze whatever is happening and going in your mind. It plays with your emotion, thoughts and feelings. It helps you to become greatest version. So whenever you try to see any dream during the night time, try to analyze it. Try to analyze what it is conveying. Right now our community has grown about 198 subscribers, and I am really grateful that I am able to achieve, or I am able to transform, or I am able to change the life of any one single person out of this 198. I will be really grateful and really happy. You must be grateful in your life. Are you grateful in your life? Grateful for whatever is happening to you and whatever is good happening to you, right? Like those which is good and let go of all the bad. In that way you focus your mindset to that of abundance mindset, and being in abundance is our birthright. Universe itself is in abundance. That's the reason any people or any person receives any kind of money or any kind of support from the universe in order to sustain their life, in order to live their life. You are having the life that you are living by the grace of the universe. Universe wants you to live the life. Universe wants you to be living the life in abundance, not in lacking mindset. So don't worry about future. Don't worry what will happen to you. If you are unmarried, then don't worry about what will happen, what will be my marriage, my children and other things. Universe will take care of. Right? You are alive, then grateful for that you are alive. You are breathing. You are having food, you are having shelter, you are having your parents, you are having your work, you are happy, you are energetic, you are skillful, you are doing the things. Be grateful for that. We take so granted everything that we forget to be grateful. But being grateful is very much important, right? If you are in a single day, if you are grateful for any moment, any things, write down, note down, make the gratitude journal. It will help you when you will be suffering from depression, anxiety, fear, sadness, all the negativity. It will help you to change your mindset when you are grateful. Do an act of kindness. Are you doing any act of kindness every day? Are you helping someone? Are you being the reason of someone's smile? If you are the reason of someone's smile, then God will make any reason to make you smile. Right? Life is very much short. Don't waste it. Life is precious. Don't end it. Lot of people commit suicide. Why they commit suicide? Because they think that they are not enough, that they are not capable, that they are lacking something. But no, you are not lacking anything. We are all abundant. We are all same beings. We are all connecting beings. We are all kindred spirits. That's the reason when you see someone in danger or having some sadness, crying, feeling low, you will also feel low. Why? Because we are kindred spirits. We are connected. I am also connected to you. Now you are watching this video and I will be connected to you, and whatever I am going through, whatever emotions I am feeling, and whatever I am conveying my message, that emotion you will also feel. That's the power of our kindred spirits. So we must be all together to build amazing community, right? To believe in yourself, to make the things happen, to stay connected, to build a bond. That's very much important in today's life, in these very tough situations right now going on. Whether you can say economically, job people, other things such as rising money, inflation, right? In order to beat that, building community is very much important, right? I already discussed that you can send your story to my email address, and I will be converting that into a book or I will be making video on that. It is so much important to share positivity nowadays. We are so much bombarded with negative things, negative power, negative emotions, that we hardly forget to get into positive vibe, positive touch, positive energy. Right? So now is the time to realize that we must live in abundance. No one from my family supported in my work, whether it is writing book, creating content, or making videos. But still, I am making these videos. Why? Because I believe in myself. Because I believe in my capabilities. Because I trust myself. I know my strength, my weakness. So I'm able to create these videos. I make these each and every day. Not only for myself, but for you people. I want to build my image, my legacy, my community. That's the reason I am creating the videos. I'm not an expert, but every expert was a beginner once. So I'm just a beginner. I'm learning certain things, right? Previously I have published a video regarding a story, but I am not a storyteller, but I am trying to convey my message through a story. And you will find many errors in that story which I have told about a village boy. But still I tried. Why? Because try, but don't cry. If you are crying, means you are not trying. So do it right now. Whatever you wish to do. Whether it is writing a book, creating a content, making a video, any damn thing, sharing a post on Instagram, any damn thing. Do it now. Right? Don't procrastinate. Lot of people just procrastinate. We will do afterwards. Oh, there is still much time. Just let us do some other things. Let us focus on other things. We will do this some next time. And the next time, the days pass on, and the year comes on, and still you are the same. You are not doing anything. You are not making something. You are not creating something. Right? You must be a producer, a creator. And the rest of the world is your audience, and they will applaud you with what you have created and what you have produced, and you will provide through that content of value to the people. And other things, money, fame and glory, will chase you. You don't have to chase money, fame and glory, but make yourself so much capable that these other things, money, fame and glory, all other outcomes, will chase you. That must be our motto of our life. Right? There are certain principles you need to follow if you want to make your life at its best, if you want to make your life to the fullest. And this I am doing. I am noting down. I am having my journal. I am having my own notebook where I make the progress of all the things which I have done and which I am planning to do. And there are certain new things which I am doing. Just like storyteller, telling a story. Just I have made a previous video regarding this. I have never done that stuff before on my channel, but I am doing. Why? Because I want to learn. Because I want to be better. Right? Practice makes you perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. If you are not practicing yourself, if you are not sharpening your skill, then you are lacking. Then you will be crying. Then you will regret that I have not done this thing. Right? So I hope this message helps. This message will spark some motivation, some inspiration in yourself. I hope you are enjoying this content, right? If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for a regular dose of positivity and share to the other people who are lacking or who want to do something but they are procrastinating. They are just letting go and not considering the importance of the present moment, of the now, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.